How to add multiple audio track in Capcut. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you add multiple audio track in Capcut. So all you need to do is, first thing first, you want to open up your Capcut app onto your device, and there you want to add in the project. First of all, once you've added the project, you would then need to go to this you then need to go ahead and select sound or audio. Then you can just go ahead and start adding the audio. If you want to select this, you could just go ahead and tap the plus button, and this is going to be added. All you need to do is just adjust it where you want to keep it and where you want to keep where you want its ending and the starting, first of all. After which, if you want to upload one more, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select sound, and you just want to make sure to go ahead and select from the file, or you could just go ahead and select it from your sound section, and there you have file, and you could just go ahead and extract audio just like this. You have to go to device, and this way you're supposed to extract, or this is how you're supposed to add multiple audio track in Capcut. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.